Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti Mabruroh. NEM 2023030100153. Kelas C. Bahasa Inggris dalam keperawatan. Health education, cook and snacks etiquette. Understanding cook and snacks etiquette. Cook etiquette is a cooking procedure that is good and correct by covering the nose and mouth with a tissue or sleeve so that bacteria do not spread into the air and do not spread to other people. The purpose of cook and sneezing etiquette prevents the spread of a disease readily through free air or droplets and creates comfort for the people around it. This droplet can transmit infectious germs that may be transmitted to other people around them through respiratory media, cold or body disease. Cause of choking and sneezing. Based on the cause, cough is divided into types, namely acute cough or less in the short term, and chronic cough or less in a long time. The cause of sneezing is due to the presence of dust, dirt, infection, and allergens. Warm coughs and sneezes. 1. Cough covered with hand. 2. When coughing, do not cover the nose and mouth. 3. Dispose of cat vigorously. Correct cook and snacks. 1. As a mask. 2. Cover your mouth and nose with your arm in your hand. 3. Cover your mouth and nose with a tissue. 4. Dispose of dress in its place. 5. Wash hands with running water and soap. That is all and thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.